Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. Today we have a great chicken breast salad, which the chicken breast has been cooked on the electric grill. Let's begin by putting the chicken breast on the grill so it can start cooking. Let's brush on top some fresh olive oil to keep the chicken breast moist. And when we flip them over, we'll do the same thing on the other side. And let's not forget about the salt. Add as much as you like. I grill them for around 20 minutes. Every couple of minutes, I flip them over, I brush on olive oil, and sometimes, if you like, add some more salt. Now that the chicken breast is cooked, let's take it off the grill and start chopping up and cutting the ingredients for the salad. Now we're going to need an oval plate to place the salad on top. If you have a round plate, it's fine, but I think an oval plate looks much better. I'm using two different kinds of lettuce, a romaine and a green leaf. I've already washed them and towel dried them. Grab a bunch of leaves, fold them, and start chopping them up. And spread them around the plate. Let's grab the red onion and cut it in half. And then cut it once down the middle and start cutting slices. As soon as you're finished cutting the red onions into slices, spread them on top of the lettuce. Now let's grab the cucumber. Trim the ends, which we don't need. Cut the cucumber in half crosswise, and then cut it in half lengthwise. And then start chopping up the cucumber into pieces. And as soon as you're done, spread them on top of the lettuce and the onions as well. Now, it's time for the red pepper. Now, let's cut it on one side, all the way down, open it up, and let's get rid of the seeds and that white stuff inside. I'm not sure what it's really called. Let's cut the red pepper in slices and then start chopping it up. As soon as we're done chopping up the red peppers, spread them on top as well. Let's do the cherry tomatoes now. My favorite tomatoes, just packed with so much flavor. Grab a handful and start cutting them in half. As soon as you're done, spread them all over on top. Now, we have two types of cheese, feta and parmesan. Grab a piece of feta and start breaking it up all over the salad with your fingers. As soon as you're done with the feta, it's time for the Parmesan cheese. You'll need around a handful and spread it on top of the salad. Time for the salt now. 2 really good pinches of salt. And now the rigani. 2 really good pinches of rigani everywhere. We have olive oil and lemon in this cup. Let's beat it a bit so the ingredients mix together, and then we pour it everywhere on the salad. grab one piece of the chicken breast and start cutting in slices. As soon as you're done slicing the chicken, place it on top of the salad. And do the same thing with the other piece. Now, at the end, we're gonna add on top of our chicken breast dark, thick, sweet balsamic vinegar. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!